FrameMaker, the unstructured version. Let's compare briefly FrameMaker with two other popular text editing and layout programs, Microsoft Word and Adobe InDesign. Now, Adobe FrameMaker is industry standard. If you are a professional technical writer creating complex technical documents, thousands of pages long, with figures and tables and TOC and index, then I really think you need Adobe FrameMaker. You can try creating the same document with another application like Microsoft Word or Adobe InDesign. But from my own personal experience, I've been a technical writer since 1998. I can tell you right away, it's not worth it in the sense that if you can afford to buy and learn FrameMaker, by all means do so. That would be my personal opinion and recommendation. Microsoft Word is great for short documents. I've been using it for over 30 years for everything. I wouldn't do without Microsoft Word. But if you are creating a long document with hundreds or even thousands of multi-level numbered lists that goes through all throughout the chapters, complex chapter, page, paragraph numbering, figures with captions, tables with titles, hundreds of them, and a book with multi-level TOC and multi-level index, then I would say you'd better use FrameMaker and not Microsoft Word. Now, InDesign is beautiful to create short, visually pleasing documents like brochures and posters, whatnot. But it was not designed, in my personal opinion, to create complex technical documents and like books, thousands of pages long. Even though both FrameMaker and InDesign, they both rely on beautiful master pages. Reliable and scalable is the word for FrameMaker. Even when you create 2,000, 5,000, or 10,000 pages long documents, FrameMaker will generally, it won't crash or collapse. It will allow you to create complex chapter, section, page, figure, and table numbering, and multi-level lists of all kinds easily. And when I say it won't crash or collapse, I mean it may happen occasionally. I'm not giving you 100% guarantee, but overall, as you keep using FrameMaker, you will find out that it is a lot more stable a product than comparable other text editing and page layout programs. And it's the industry standard. That's why in many Fortune 100 corporations, you'll see FrameMaker used as the main document creation platform. I can safely say, in technical documentation, it's one of the industry standards today. As a technical writer, the chances that you will find a better paying job if you know how to use FrameMaker will be higher. So by all means, I recommend, if you have the time and resources to learn FrameMaker, by all means, go ahead and do it. Now, there are many other reasons why FrameMaker is a good product. One of them is single sourcing, conditional text. You can write once and publish on many different platforms like responsive HTML5, web help, regular HTML help, even Kindle and EPUB versions. And you can also do very robust XML publishing, what is also called structured authoring, and which is not covered in this course. As you know, FrameMaker has two versions, one structured and the other one unstructured versions. And in this course, we cover only the unstructured variety. And FrameMaker, Adobe.com, they offer 30-day free trial. So you can download FrameMaker for 30 days and see if you like it or not. And if you do, then you may perhaps consider purchasing a copy of your own. So see you in the next class. Take care.